Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. So the lock I've got here came out of a parking gate. Came out of the same series that Vilka came out of. So this is the smaller one of these I have, and this is the big brother. So this came out of the pay and lane machine, and I'll feature this some other time. But this one was out of the parking gate. It's a bit smaller. But definitely still formidable. Wacky keyway. If anyone knows this symbol, knows what brand locks these are, I'd really love to know. Do not get much feedback out of this thing. You really got to crank down on the tension to get it to tell you anything. Took me quite a while before I learned how to actually pick this thing open. And I guess we'll see if I can do it here. Unfortunately, you can't gut these. They are a sealed unit. They have a tension limiter that holds the core in. There we go. Alright, got that one open. And the tail's being blocked by the vise. But as you can see, that is open. These are some beefy cam locks. And I'll do a video on this one some other time, I guess. I think the bitting's the same. I'm not quite sure. I haven't been able to open this one yet. But honestly, I've been focused more on this one. But whatever. I wish I could gut this thing. Like I said, there's a internal rotation limiter in that 6th chamber that prevents me from pulling the core out. But anyway, neat lock, crazy keyway, beefy thing. So fun little pick. Alright, all. Take care. Have a great one. See ya.